There's your middle console. Today, we're about to remove the middle console of this 2012 Infiniti G37. I got my passenger seat out, so it's gonna be a little easier for me, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be sitting on the driver's side to show you. Let's get it. First things first, you gotta put the gearbox in neutral. I mean, you could put it in neutral if you want, but yeah, it's better on neutral. Let's put it on neutral. Power on. You could put it in neutral. Then take off the negative battery if you want to do that. Soon you put it in neutral, you need to take off this off the gearbox. See, there's a clip. Do not lose that. Do not lose that. All right, you don't want to lose that shit. There's a clip on there. You need to take off. It's got a flathead right here. It'd be a little difficult. Come on, you don't want to fly. Then, oh shit! See, it's like that. Lucky it landed right here. Woo! That was close. That was close. Okay, now put it somewhere. I'm gonna put it right here since the car seat not here. If you have the seat here, put it on the seat. Now, let's take this off. Right here. Boom. Oh yeah, just turn the car off before you burn the battery. Yeah, that's gonna be annoying. Okay, now we have to remove this thing right here. Okay, use your flathead or something to get in here. Pull down on it. Be careful. Don't break shit. Okay. Boom, boom. Okay. Alright, take that, put it over here, or on the seat, if your seat is there. Okay, if you want to remove this face right here, there's two bolts right here. Let's remove those. You could use a screwdriver or a freaking drill. I'm gonna use a drill. There you go. Next one right here. Okay. I don't want to do it all the way. Next thing you know, it falls somewhere. I lose it. You know what I'm saying? Put those screws here. Okay, now it's the face right here. All you gotta do is pull up like that, push down. Now this connector's behind it. You should take off. Oh, there you go. You see all those? Take them shits off. Okay, there's one right here. You see this black wire right here? It goes to this right here. Let's take that off first. Okay, took that off. I needed two hands. Now let's take these off right here. Pull out. Boom. Same thing with this one. Right here. Clips right here. Push down. Pull back. And the last one, this one, push down. Okay. Let's see if you wanted to take this off. Okay. Let's put that here. Right there. Boom. Now, take this off. You gotta be very careful. If you have one of those plastic things to pry this open, that would be great. Me, I don't have one. I'll take it somewhere. I can't find mine. But now I gotta take off this whole trim off. It's a whole one. Don't go pry over here or over here and start breaking shit. So let's go right here in this little corner. Or right here. You can go right here too. Just try to pry it up. I'll put this back. You know, she's a little, you know, in my way and shit. So let's pry this up. There's a whole thing right here. Okay? So try to pop it up. Okay, I'm gonna use this, make it a little easier. See what I'm saying? As soon as you see it going up a little, use this again. Okay, cool. Pull up on it. This there's some wires under it, so be careful. Pull this up, okay. It's a wire here, and there's a wire for the cigarette lighter. So let's start over here. Okay. Okay, boom. Same thing with this one. Push down on it. There you go. This one right here. Okay, boom. Now it's cigarette lighter one. It's right up here. See, that would be the top. It's in neutral. It's in neutral little. Put in neutral first. Okay, put it back. It's a little easier for me. Put this back, all the way back. Okay, now push up on this. See? Easy peasy. Right here. There's your connector for the cigarette lighter. Push down this and pull back slowly. There we go. And this is for the lights gear for your gearbox. Okay, push down this clip, push down, pull back. There you go. Now put this on the side over here. Okay. Now there's two screws right here, one over here. Let's take those off. Okay, put this somewhere. Don't lose it. Definitely don't lose that shit. Let's go right here. Okay, take that off. Shit, don't lose that. Don't drop that shit. Okay, now, so you remove those connectors, we have to go to the back to get to the other screws. All right, let's go to the back seat. Move the driver's seat up so you have some room back there. Move it all the way up. Okay, now you have to take this whole thing off. All you gotta do is pull on it. It should pop off. Just like that. Boom. There's a connector on here. Should remove right there. Boom. Squeeze on it right there. Squeeze down. Pull it out. Okay, now see, it's your airbag module. If you want to get to the actual airbag module, is right under here. Most Nissan Infinitis, they're all here under this middle console. Now there's two screws right here. You should remove those two, 1 and 2. Let's take those off. Okay, I lost the other one. Damn it! Oh, it's right here. Thought I dropped it. Okay, don't lose those two. You need those. Put back. Let's see how it's ready to go. Don't rush it yet, man. Do not rush it. Oh yeah, you gotta take this out. This will be in your way. There's a connector in there for the inside, for the USB and all that shit. Gotta be careful. See this right here? You're gonna have to take this off the metal here. Oh, it just came out. Nice. Okay, now